Alright everyone, here we are again to give out a very important information to everyone who have not received their ready to the emergency. You know, since all this while, many people are worried, many people are complaining. At the same time, there are people who are rejoicing because IMS have paid their money of the ready to the emergency. You understand? But there are some people who apply for this ready to the emergency. Up till now, IMS have not sent them the message of acceptance. IMS have not sent them the message of stating that they did not accept their application of ready to the emergency. In this case, what do you have to do? Many people have tried their best. Even the IMS themselves have brought out some assurance stating that people who have not received the message that they have to get patient because they made the mistake at the first place, whereby rejecting even some of people who are qualified to get the ready to the emergency. Now, I just get this idea and then I try to bring it out so that people can go to the authorities direct. Because many people have even go to CAF, disturbing the CAF man who made the application, all those kind of stuff. Up till now, there is no result, nothing. While others are enjoying their money, which you guys all applied together, but you come like say your own case can't be different. Now, what you have to do is to call the IMS direct. I'm going to give you the number. That is the number you are seeing here on screen. Now, you can call this number direct and then ask IMS why they did not accept your ready to the emergency. Now, this number is available 24 hours of the day. All you just have to do is to pay the sacrifice and then wait until they pick your call, because it's a numero verde. You understand? Direct from Roma. All they just need for you when you call them is your codice fiscale. Then when you call them, now you explain to them that, you know, you applied for ready to the emergency, but up till now they have not paid you the money. Then what they will ask you is your codice fiscale. You understand? Then you will not present your codice fiscale to them, and then they will control and see. And then they will tell you the reason why they did not send you message, or the reason why they did not accept your ready to the emergency. Because many people who did not receive the rejection, did not receive the acceptance, they are just like, you know, at the center of the game. They don't know what to do next. After paying money to apply, doing your easy, all those kind of stuff, coming to see is that at the end of the day, they did not reply you, is something annoying. Either they give you yes, they accept, or no. At least for you to know that, you know, what you did, you get answer from them. So now what you have to do in this time around is to take this number you are seeing here on the screen. Call this number is the numero verde of IMS generally here in Italy. All you have to do, like I said, have patience for them to pick your call and then give them your codice fiscale. They will identify and know the reason why they did not accept you. They will give you answer on your ready to the emergency. The number is 803-164. 803-164. That is the number you can call on IMS and then ask them about your ready to the emergency. They said they know they watch, they collect power. Power is being taken this time around. They know they do gentleman. You don't ask your CAF man, he not reply you. Now, go to the authority direct, call them on phone and then tell them that you applied for ready to the emergency. Up to now, they have not paid you, they did not send you any message. And then get the response direct from IMS and then know what they have to tell you. And also, this same number is available or is still there for those ones who are onto disoccupation. If, for example, you want to know how long your disoccupation will still exceed or will still last, you want to know the remaining months on your NAXP, that same number, if you call them on IMS, they will ask you the numero pratica which you used to apply for the disoccupation known as NAXP. They will check on your codice fiscale. They must request for your codice fiscale. That is where they will use to control and then know how many months is still remaining on your NAXP known as disoccupation. So guys, any question you have to ask to IMS, this is the number to call on IMS, and then wait until they pick your call and then you ask your question and then know what the case may be. So that is just it. So for those ones who have not received ready to the emergency, I think this is the highest limit you can go, calling IMS on their phone number, numero verde, and then they pick your call, you explain to them. So that is just it. On the process of calling them. For those ones who cannot speak Italian, they will ask you to choose the language which you wish to speak with the IMS, because IMS office, they have different languages, they have different operators, they employ different set of people with different languages. So if you select English, then you will speak in English. If you speak Italian, then depends on you the language you want to select. So that is just it. So make sure you call this number if you are in need of it. If you are still searching for your Reddito di Magenta, this is the number to call. So that is the update I have for you. I think it's something very wise for you to know direct from the authorities, because most of the CAF people, all they just do is to do the practical for you and then send them direct to IMS. Even me myself, I can make the practical for you on my phone and then send direct to IMS. So there is nothing more deal between the CAF man. The authorities are in charge, which is IMS. Now use this number to locate them and then know the reason why they did not pay your Reddito di Magenta which you applied, and fully knowing to you that you are qualified to get this Reddito di Magenta. So that is just it. So till next time again we'll be together. Please guys, follow me on my Facebook page. I just need maximum number of followers to monetize that particular Facebook page. If you guys can do it for me, I'll be very happy. And then people who followed up, I have to copy out their name, take them to my Instagram, and then give you guys a little bit a bonus. If you can do it, I'll be very happy. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this platform. Keep your comments, whatever you are thinking on my video. Then we know how things are going. Next time again, we'll be together. Ciao.